Eating a healthy bread has become one of the priority I have in my home. To everyone watching this video, I greet you. Now let's begin. In a clean plate, add in your egg, salt, sugar, vanilla extract, and nutmeg. You can replace the nutmeg with cinnamon powder if you have one, or you can skip it, it's optional. Now mix everything to incorporate very well. Then you go in with your yeast instant powder and baking powder. Then add in your warm water. Make sure that your water is warm because it helps in the fast activation of the yeast. Then you go in with your flour and your vegetable oil or melted butter. Move in with your fingers and mix very well until you form a palatable and soft dough. To my new viewers, I welcome you to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like and share this video. And to my returning subscribers, I appreciate you to always coming by to watch my video. Thank you very much for the support. Please pay attention to this. Whenever you are mixing your dough and you find out that the dough still has a lot of water content, do not be afraid to add extra flour and continue mixing until you get a soft and palatable dough. Now transfer the dough to a work surface and knead to at least 2 to 3 minutes. This will help the dough to incorporate air during the proving process and also help the dough to rise very well and have elasticity structure at the end of the proving. Once you are done kneading, you should get a very palatable and soft dough just like this. Drop a little oil or melted butter in the same bowl and transfer the dough inside it. Cover with a cellophane nylon and cover with cloth also and keep it in a warm place. 45 minutes later, the dough has tripled in size. Remove the cellophane nylon and punch the dough to remove the air bubbles. Then transfer on a work surface and give it a little romance to remove all the remaining air bubbles in it. Please like and share this video and subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you. To achieve this particular shape we have here in this bread, I'm going to cut it into 3 different places. Get one part of it, romance it very well, then use a rolling pin and roll it out to at least 2 cm or 3 cm depending on how thick you want yours to be. Once you are done, now begin to fold it gently. As you are folding, you are adjusting the 2 sides. Fold it gently and adjust the both ends. This depends on the size of your baking pan. Then gently fit it into the baking pan. Make sure you grease the baking pan. Then you cover to proof for the final time. This time around, just for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, it has doubled again in size. Then dress the top with milk and oil, or you can dress it up with egg yolk. Then lastly, get a razor blade and create some design on top of it. Then transfer into a preheated oven to bake for 45 minutes. Wow! This is what we have. The queen and his entourage have arrived. Please, Biko. Oya, at the rate of 1 to 10, they go die this thing rating. Oya, we want to see it in the comment section. So for more appetizing look, I dressed with honey. You can dress with butter if you wish. So if you are loving the final result, can I see you comment delicious bread in the comment section? And I will see you again in my next video. Bye bye.